Do it. Hi!
That was fun, guys. Hello guys, I'm Ralph and so today we're here at Creek Park and we're gonna enjoy our holiday here.
Hello, Rafa!
We're here now at Creek Park. And I like it here.
Sure,
We had a
even
hard
without the
time
bike?
finding Huh?
Even without the bike?
A little bit.
Yeah. We can't bring her bike. We can't bring two bikes. Where's the
I
airplane?
saw it, I saw it.
See? Ang linis sa park, di ba? This is the Creek Park in Dera na to, no? Dera. Kanya-kanyang activity sa Creek Park.
Music natin yung legs. Hey, move.
So,
We like do each, like first it's me who's gonna vlog and then your turn and then daddy's turn.
oh, is it?
Oh, you're vlogging right now.
We're going to the creek side.
Quick side.
We'll show them the creek side.
Miguel's over there.
Yes. Enjoying his bike. While Ate is walking, jogging, running. And Ate Juliet is somewhere there. Walking. Oh, hello! Say hi to the vlog. Uy! Tika na ako nun ah. Nakakapagod mag-badminton.
Whoa.
See?
Look.
Oh, Dubai Dolphinarium pala. Meron din dito, ano? Oh, see? Wow! Flowers Park. Desert Park. Dubai Dolphinarium. Prayer room. Toilets and children playground. Let's go! So, there's a... Uy, si Bon Voyage nandito pala, oh. May discount ba kami dito, Bon Voyage? Bon Voyage juice, oh. Oh, di ba? Bon Voyage, baka naman. See? Ayun, oh. Andun na yung creek. Andun na po yung creek. See? This is the Creek Park in Dera. Ano ba? Picnic, picnic.
Okay. We're here at Creek and
What?
there's flowers there.
They know. They can see it, ate. What's that, baby?
Yellow.
That's yellow? Very good.
He said there's lots of
There's
yellow.
lots of yellow, yes. Oh, ang ganda ng flower, oh, di ba? Look. See? Napagod na. Yun, no? Hi, baby! Ate Rafa, you're borrowing his bike?
There's lots of flowers, guys.
Yeah, this is the flowers park, ate. See?
There's lots of
Yung water na yun na yung creek. Punta tayo dun later, okay?
Yeah, and
See?
later we're gonna buy ice cream. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, no! Do it. Hi!
That was fun, guys. Oh, you want to go up and go down using the bike? Guys, I will push Miguel. No, no, Miggy. No. Go to the No, no, no. Go. See?
Come on, you can do it.
Go. You can do that. Yeah.
That's why he doesn't want you to push him kasi he knows he can do it, ate. Go, Miggy, go! Go, Miggy, go!
You know, for me, I would just go here and then do that. Yeah, come on, you're almost there. Yes,
Yay!
let's go down. Let's go down.
He doesn't want to go down.
I will be the one.
Miggy, where are you going?
Going up. Daddy, I'm gonna go down. Let's go.
Oh, I cannot go. I cannot go there.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Go on. Go, Tita.
Okay. And then where are you going? I want to see where are you going.
No, don't go upstairs. Here. Oh.
My God, he wants to go by himself. Oh, what? What will I do? Just stay here?
Yes.
Oh my God, I have to stay here lang daw. Okay, okay po. Be careful. Okay, I'll just watch you. My God, he wants to go down by himself only.
Careful, Miguel.
I'm not going. I'm just staying here. See, guys, look. Yay! Move on the side, baby. My bike. My bike. Ayaw niya ako sumama sa kanya. Hey, where are you going? Just wait daw. Why? You might get lost. Ay, naku po. Just wait lang daw. Saan kaya ito pupunta tong batang to? Hey, Miggy. Hala ka, sige, you will get lost. Bye-bye. Just wait lang, just wait. Come here na, come here. Hi, ate. Are you bored? I'm tired na, Miguel. Ay, bahala ka. Bye-bye. I need to go there, guys. OMG. Where is Miguel? There he goes. Miggy! Where are you going? I'm asking you. Hey, that's not yours. Come back. What do you mean just wait? Baby, let's go, please. No, you cannot go there. You cannot go there.
No.
You cannot go there. Stop. Stop. I said stop. My God. The police will get you. Oh, see, police. Oh, police. See? You're stepping on the flower, baby. Come here. Come here. Ay, let's go home na lang. Let's go home. Kasi you don't want me to hold you, baby. Hi! Puree from TV is here also. Hello! Hi, Tia! Hello, nanonood ni Miguel. Now we're here with Puree from TV. Say hi!
Hello.
Nagkaroon kami ng food because of them. See? Napagod ako kay Miguel, sobra. Wala lang na buong game. Hi, kids. Enjoying the snacks. From where is that, Pia? Wemart. Hi, Miggy boy. Say hi. What are you eating? What is that? A fish cracker? What about Ate is eating chocolate? Hey, Miggy, look! Look at the water! Hi, baby boy. Are you tired already? Oops, what's that? What's that? Lollipop? What's the flavor of your lollipop?
Flower lollipop.
Huh?
Flower.
What flavor? What flavor?
Ano yun? Ano yung title mo, Pia?
Do it again, do it again.
Nang.
Yung face mask. Chambi.
Resting time.
Goodbye na.
Bye-bye na, ate. We're going home na.
Hey guys, I hope you had fun watching this video. And if you did, don't forget to like. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hindi
Bye!
na ba nagdadry na?